Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I've been asked several times how to go back from iOS 26 to iOS 18, and in this video, I'll show you step by step how to do this without losing any data. An easy and safe method without a computer. You feeling the same as me? Frustrated with most of the updates in the new iOS 26 beta, there are always inexplicable bugs like overheating, freezing, serious battery loss, etc. And if you're interested in videos like this one with tips and tricks for the iPhone and other Apple products, my channel is exactly the right one for you, so feel free to subscribe now. Let's start the video. Now back to iOS 18 first. Just go to your Safari browser, search for Download Beta Profile. Tap and open the first website. You can see, this is an updated official website for Apple products as well as iOS 26, iOS 18. Scroll down until choose a beta and tap on Public. And then install iOS 18 from here on your phone. After install, just go to your account and settings to find iOS 18. Here tap on Profile Downloaded. Tap and install iOS 18 on your iPhone device now. That's it. And of course, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. If so, please leave a thumbs up. If you know any other tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more similar videos, and then we'll see you again in the next video. Until then, take care.